ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಟಿಲ್ 3 lessons. We have done totally 3 lessons and we have learned so many words. So quickly, if we recall the first lesson, we have learned ninna, nimma, neevu, neenu. So these are the things that we learned in the this was in a second lesson alva. So first lesson alli we learnt ನಾನು, ನನ್ನ, ನನಗೆ, ಅದು, ಇದು. We also learnt ಇದೆ, ಇತ್ತು, ಇಷ್ಟ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಡ. So we are going to touch today the first lesson. So we need a first lesson today so that we can work comfortably on the fourth lesson. Today's lesson is the fourth lesson. So first I will make a note. ಯಾವ words ಬೇಕು? We need ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, and we need ಬೇಕು. We also need ಬೇಡ. So these are the words that I am going to use today for our fourth lesson. Okay na? So we'll start. I hope you are comfortable with ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು. Please make sure that you keep revising. Revision is very important. That's why there won't be lesson on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you have to practice. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is completely for revision. I'll try to give the activity on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Let's see how that works. Okay. So let's start with our fourth lesson. I'm sorry. So first sentence. So I know if I want to ask, I want coffee. So how do I ask? Nange coffee ಬೇಕು. Nange coffee ಬೇಕು. But what if I want to ask, do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Do you want chocolate? Do you want ice cream? Do you want vanilla flavor? Do you want this? Do you want that? Do you want bag? Do you want books? Do you want tickets? So do you want? So that is what ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? Do you want coffee? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ I'm using because with respect. I'm going with respect. I already told you in the beginning of the class, we will be not be going to any kind of a fight. So just by using a singular version, we'll use a respected version always. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? So if you are asking to your friend, how do you ask? ನಿನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? So ನಿನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? So this ನಿನಗೆ or ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? You can also remove that A sounding and you can pronounce, which is completely fine. So instead of ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, you would say ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? So what will be my answer? My answer will be ಹಾ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, simple ಹಾ ಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಹಾಂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್. ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕೊಡು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಹಾಂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಹಾಂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಾಫಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡ. ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡ. So along with this, you can also say that ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡ, give me tea. ನಂಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡು. ನಂಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡು or ಕೊಡಿ. So ಕೊಡಿ is with respected, kodu is a singular version. Okay na? So there are n ways of answering. So how would you answer for this question? Do let me know in the comment section so I can take that answer for the next class and I can explain it. Okay na? So ivaga question, do you want coffee? Nim coffee beka? Ha beku. Simple one. Ha nan coffee beku. Second version. Illa nan coffee beda. Third version. Fourth version. Illa nan coffee beda, tea kodi. Clear? So we have learned 4 versions to answer for the one question. Okay, na? I hope you have made a note of all these things. So this is my first version, this is my second version, this is my third version. Fourth version elloitu? Idene. This is hidden here actually. Okay. Okay, so barkondra? Clear? So illi, instead of a coffee, you can also put anything else and try to frame a sentence. Okay, so this will be your activity. Activity is very, very important. Do not forget to do the activity. Just type in the comment section. That is enough. Just type in the comment section and make sure that you're also making a note in your notebook. Okay, na? So it is just like typically we are learning in a school, in a classroom. Okay, so we'll go for the next question ivaga. So illi, instead of saying, do you want coffee? Then I'm telling with more surprise, don't you want coffee? Don't you want idli? Don't you want this? Don't you want that? Don't you want? So already pre-defined agi nanu ankonbitideni that they need this anta. But they're telling that they don't want already. So my question is, illa coffee beda. So illa coffee beda I told. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಾವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡವಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಸಿ ಬೇಡ is don't want. ಬೇಡವಾ is a sorry questioning form of that. You are extending. Beka. Question. Don't you want? Bedba. So that is one more question that we are learning now. So beka is one kind of question. Bedba, don't you want, is another kind of a question. So again now with all that irritation I'm just telling, bedappa. Okay na? So alli bedappa, it can also come in a different way. Again I can simply say my first version can be illa beda. Illa beda. Second version, illa parvagilla. Parvagilla beda. Illa, it's okay. It's okay, I don't want. It's okay, I don't want. If the same thing, if your friend or anyone who is close to you is asking, hey bedappa. Bedappa. So for a male, you will go with the bedappa. So bedamma nange. Bedamma. So if your friend is too close, then you would say, hey beda kano. Beda kano. Or beda kane. So this is a kind of responses that we can give to this sentence. So first type of question, do you want? Then you told, no, I don't want. Then again they're asking, don't you want coffee? Don't you want this? Don't you want to go there? So go alla budnilla navu. So go alla beda ivaga. So we'll just remember. So this will be the same pattern that we have to use. But as of now, we'll stick on to this. Don't you want coffee? Nimage coffee bedva? Or ninage coffee bedva? The first is simple, illa beda. The next you will say, illa, parvagilla, beda. It's okay, I don't want. Next, bedappa, I don't want it. So instead of telling beda, so you will tell, I don't want it. Bedappa, nang beda, nang beda, nang beda, nang beda. So that's how you will tell. Same next, solpa, the person is very close, then you will say, beda kano. Yessala keltiya, how many times you are asking, nang beda, I don't want. So this is how you will answer. Okay na? So we have learned two kind of questions. Beku matte bedage beka, bedva, that we have learned. The same thing now we'll apply for the ishta and ishta illa. I hope it's clear. Please make a note. Please make a note. Time togoli and comment section ali immediately. Pause this video immediately. Give me 4 sentences like this, or give me sentences with beka and bedva. Okay na? You can at least give 2 sentences. Okay na? Or at least one sentences. Welcome to the next set of our question. Do you like and don't you like? Similar to this. Similar to this. Do you like? Don't you like? Similar to this. I'm sorry for the background noise. It's really hard for me to do the video without any background noise. So ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ಡೂ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್? ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಾನಾ ಇಸ್ ಡೂ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಹಾಂ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಂ, ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನಂಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. So you can give any kind of an answer. So one day you can say ha, yes I like it. Innondu you will tell illa, ishta illa. Then the one more thing you can add is ha, nang tumba ishta. Tumba is too much. I like too much. Nang tumba ishta. Do you like that movie? Ha, nanga movie tumba ishta. ಆ ಮೂವಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಈ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಐ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ? ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. So which says that you're okay with it, or you're also not okay. You're also fine without that one. So that is a kind of answer that last one will give. Okay na? So first ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಹಾ, ನಂಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ನೋ, ನಂಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಹಾ, ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಿಂತೀನಿ, ಐ ಈಟ್. ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್. ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲಾಗಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎರೇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟು ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮೂವಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅಗೇನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಬೇಡ್ವಾ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So I'll give you one answer, one option here. You will try to give me the another option. Please comment ಮಾಡಿ comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is your answer. Your answer would be for this. I'll give one basic answer. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. So this is my answer. So what will be your answer? The same thing. So I'll try to explain this, the other options in the next class. But this class, I want you to participate and comment maadi which are the other option that you can work for this. You can give for this sentence. Okay na? So this is our fourth class. I hope it was helpful for you. We are doing it very slowly and comfortably. We are not jumping into any kind of a grammar or too much of a grammar or a tenses here. So take time, practice maadi. Practice is very, very important. Make sure you have a notebook, you're writing down everything in your notebook. Doubt idre, do let me know in the comment section. Most importantly, give me the answers in the comment section. See you tomorrow in 5th class. Share this video with your friend, and also I leave the link here for the Spoken Kannada lesson and the Spoken Kannada ebook which was launched by Yashasvi Kannada Vani. You can have a sample look. If you are interested, you can even purchase the Spoken Kannada ebook. See you tomorrow at the 5th class. Do not forget to give me the answers. Answers kodi. Okay na? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.